Welcome back to 504 Road Trips. Today we're going to make another trip down into Belle Chasse across the new Belle Chasse Bridge. This is at the suggestion of viewer Joey Barrowild, who said there's been some changes since the last time we went down here, so we're going to take a ride and see what we can see. First thing he mentioned was coming into Plaquemines Parish, which is right here at the outfall canal. There's supposed to be a new welcome to Plaquemines sign, but I'm not seeing that. So the first thing we're going to note right here is that the old bridge is gone. It's completely gone. They've removed it. And there's the welcome to Plaquemines sign right there at the corner of Engineers Road. We'll come back to that intersection because something of note is that the junction of Engineers Road and LA 23 is no longer a complete junction. You can only make right turns. So this is the trip up the new bridge. The old railroad bridge is still there on the left-hand side, which stays in the up position all the time unless a train comes. Sign at the top of the bridge says Intracoastal Waterway, and the bridge is toll-free. The tolls were removed last year after a huge uproar from residents of the parish. It's, as far as I know, it's just temporary for now, but there were some issues with the administration of the toll collection. For people that live down in Plaquemines Parish, the tolls were really low. For the benefit of the people that live down here. For people that didn't live down here, you paid a little bit more, and if you didn't have a Go Pass, which is Louisiana's system that's completely incompatible with all other systems, you paid quite a bit more if you didn't have that Go Pass, and they just told by plate. Plus, they were tacking on all kinds of administrative fees. People were running up huge bills over a very short period of time. There was a big outcry over that. So the tolls were removed. Lawsuits have been filed by the parish, and right now everything's kind of up in the air as far as whether there'll ever be a toll again on that bridge. We're going to make a U-turn here and head back to the bridge and go over it again. And then we're going to check out some of those junctions. So that was not a good place to try to make a U-turn there. It's a very narrow road, almost didn't do it without hitting the curb. So here we're going to get a much better view of where the old bridge was. Now, I believe the piers of the bridge that held it up are still there. Probably be able to see that in a second once this truck is out of our view. Actually, I don't even see the piers of the bridge anymore. It looks like it's completely gone. So as we come down the bridge here, we're going to get another look at this junction between LA 23 and Engineers Road, and on the right is Planters Canal Road. And yeah, there's no more connection to Planters Canal Road anymore. So the only way, there's two ways into that neighborhood now. One of them is right here at this light, which I believe is called Burmaster Street, but I might be wrong about that. and then we'll see the other way, which I've never actually done. I just we're gonna find out right now. This is all kind of new to me because I don't really come down here that much. I don't live far from here, but I don't have much reason to go to Belle Chasse, so give us a nice wide turn there. Another nice wide turn here for the U-turns. I think that's mainly for trucks trying to get down Engineers Road. They have tractor trailers that go down there. So we're going to make a right here on LA 3017 Engineers Road, which is basically just an industrial area. To north LA 23. That's interesting. So yeah, this runs alongside the canal, and on the left side, all the lots along there, businesses actually back up to the canal, so they can, you know, it's mostly marine type stuff. So this road here, and you've seen this before in the series and in our road meet series. On the left is the old Tunnel Inn, which is now Nails and Spa. I didn't think that was going to survive, being that the road that it was on is gone. This road right here ends in 500 feet, so this just goes to the flood wall down there, and it looks like they've buried the tunnel. Make another loop around the block here. So coming out off of Engineers Road, the only option is to turn right and go over the bridge. And a lot of people complained about that because when the tolls were active, you had to pay the toll. And I guess this wasn't clearly marked here that you could go this way to get to LA 23 North. So as we come under the bridge, straight ahead is an option to go into the neighborhood there, or we make a left turn here and get back onto LA 23 North, which is what we're going to do. So yeah, the neighborhood lost one entrance, but they fixed it up pretty well for them. Anyway, that's going to conclude the video. This is just an update. Thanks to Joey Barrowwild for suggesting this. Going to end it here. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up. Be sure to leave a comment below. If you haven't already, please subscribe, share and follow us on social media, and be sure to join us for our next 504 road trip.